Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add your vendors to QuickBooks Online. Keeping an organized supplier list makes it easier to track expenses, manage payments, and maintain professional relationships with the businesses you work with regularly. Let's start by navigating to the left-hand menu where you'll find the Expenses section. Click on Expenses to open up your expense management options. From here, you'll see several choices, but we're interested in the Suppliers option. Go ahead and click on Suppliers, which will take you to your complete vendor directory where all your existing suppliers are stored. Now at the top right of the screen, you'll notice a green button labeled New Supplier. This is your gateway to adding anyone new to your vendor list. Click on it to open the supplier creation form. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your supplier's company name in the display name as field. For example, if you're adding your dairy product supplier, you might type in something like Milkmaid. This is how the supplier will appear throughout QuickBooks, so make sure it's clear and recognizable. Next, you'll want to fill in the additional supplier details. QuickBooks provides fields for contact name, email, phone number, and address. These details are important because they ensure you have all the information you need when it's time to reach out or send payments. Take a moment to enter everything accurately in the respective fields. As you scroll down, you'll come across options to enter payment terms and preferred payment method. If you've agreed on specific terms with your supplier, like net 30 or net 60, this is where you'll input that. Adding a preferred payment method helps streamline your payment process later on. There's also a section where you can add notes or attach documents. This is incredibly useful for keeping track of important details. For instance, you might add a note saying organic dairy produced to remind yourself of what this supplier provides. Or you could attach contracts and agreements directly to their profile for easy reference. Before you finalize everything, take a quick moment to review all the information you've entered. Double-check that names, contact details, and payment terms are correct. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. Your new supplier is now added to QuickBooks and ready to be used for expense tracking and bill payments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.